Open your book to page 73. This is lesson 2.14. And this lesson is on divisions of fraction. Okay, division of fractions. First you need to know about is the reciprocal. Reciprocal means you flip the fraction upside down. So for example, if you have like an A over B, then the reciprocal would be B over A. Now when you multiply reciprocals, you're going to equal to 1. So again, reciprocal means the fractions get flipped upside down. Okay. So let's go to example. So example 1a, you have 4 over 7. So the reciprocal is 7 over 4. Okay. And so 1/3, the reciprocal would be 3 over 1, and so equal to 3. Okay. So reciprocal means you flip the fraction upside down. So C, so 5, the reciprocal of 5, think of it as a 5 over 1. So when you flip it over, you get 1 over 5. So those are reciprocals. So reciprocal when you flip upside down. Now the reason you need to know reciprocal is that when you're dividing, you have to make into reciprocals. Okay. So let's go to example 2. So page 74. Example 2. A, you have 3 over 5 divided by 3 over 7. So when you have division, first thing you need to do is you need to go and flip it over and convert into multiplication. So 3 over 5. So anything up to division sign, you have to flip it over. So it becomes 7 over 3. Right? So again, reciprocal, you flip it over. Because division is the reciprocal or the opposite of the multiplication. So change it into multiplication by flipping the factor upside down. Then after that, it becomes regular multiplication, and you can just work it out. So 3 and 3, both these are divided by 3, right? So divide, you get 1. So answer would be 7 over 5. So key thing to remember is that when you have division, first you need to do is convert into multiplication by flipping upside down or make it into reciprocal. Okay, for B, you have 5 over 6 divided by 2 over 3. So again, step 1, you need to go make into multiplication by flipping this upside down. And after that, you're going to try to cancel things out. So 3 and 6 both are divisible by 3. So divide by 3, you get 1. Divide by 3, you get 2. So you get 5 over 4. Okay. And let's go to C. You have 15 over 32 divided by 2. Now I'm going to make into 2 over 1. Okay, I'm going to make, instead of just write down 2, I'm going to write 2 over 1. That way it's easier to keep track when you flip it upside down. So 15 over 32 divided by 2 over 1 become times by 1 over 2. Okay? So when you have division, you have to convert into multiplication by flipping this upside down. And after that, you can see if you can cancel things out. This one cannot. So just multiply and you get 15 over 64. Okay, now let's go to D. You have 7 divided by 3 over 8. So I'm going to write this as a 7 over 1. Division, change into multiplication, and you flip this upside down. And so this will equal to 7 times 8 is 56 over 3. And that's it for this one. Okay, let's go to example 3. So let's go to page 74, example 3a. Now this one is a division of the mixed numbers. So you got 6 and 4 over 5 divided by 1 and 7/10. So again, just like before, you need to, when you have mixed numbers, you have to convert into improper fraction. So this is going to be equal to 6 times 5 is 30 plus 4 is 34 over 5. Okay, again, do one step at a time. So convert this first. So this will become 1 times 10 plus 7 give you 17 over 10. So again, first convert into improper fraction. Next, let's go and convert this into multiplication. So you got 34 over 5 times it by 10 over 17. So again, change this into multiplication by flipping this upside down. Then after that, you can go and start to cancel things out, dividing. So 5 and 10, you can divide by 5. So divide by 5, you get 1. Divide by 5, you get 2. 17 and 34, they can divide by 17. So divide by 17, you get 1. Divide by 17, you get 2. So now you multiply, you're going to get 2 times 2 is 4, over 1 times 1 is 1. But don't leave it like this. Okay, you need to go and simplify. 4 over 1 is equal to 4. So don't leave this as your final answer. Okay, you need to go and simplify into this. Okay, let's go to B. Example 3b, you have 12 divided by 2 and 2/3. So again, first let's go and make it into improper fraction. So this is 12 over 1 divided by 2 and 2/3. Again, you multiply 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 give you 8. So it'd be 8 over 3. So you can convert first, then you do the next step. Okay, so you got 12 over 1. So division becomes multiplication. 8 over 3 becomes 3 over 8. You flip it upside down. Your next step is go ahead and cancel things out. 8 and 12, both these are divisible by 4. So divide by 4, you get 2. Divide by 4, you get 3. So answer will be equal to 9 over 2.